This is what he does when he knows I'm not taking him. I'm going to a national park, Anton. I can't take you. He's so sad. So we're off to a picnic at Thirlmere Lakes National Park. Taking my daughter and my granddaughter, who's just a little bit older than 4 months. So I've had to put a baby seat in the Challenger, which wasn't too hard. And we're going to go and see what Thirlmere Lakes has got to offer. Although I don't think there's much lakes there now. So the seat works, sweetie? Hello? How's Bailee? You're okay, aren't you? So we've come in Slades Road and we're at that picnic area, which is Werri Berri, and this lake is Werri Berri. And a bit further down there's Couridjah, but they're all dry. All of these lakes are dry, as far as I can tell. Birds tweeting. That's what it should look like. Now we can actually get some mud. No, they're just completely dry. Yeah, so these lakes are 15 million years old, from what I've read. And normally I think lakes last about 1 million years, because they're normally fed by creeks or a river. The sediment comes down, eventually they're filled up, like over say 1 million years. But these things are not fed by a creek. I think it's just from underground. And 15 million years and they're gone. And will the water ever come back? You don't know, do you? This is sad to see. You enjoying that, Bailee? She still looks sleepy.
Yeah, well, she's been sleeping for half an hour. She's not asleep.
No. When we get her in the car, maybe.
Yeah.
You enjoying yourself, Bailee? This is your first national park, and the first bush, and birds, and you even had a fly in your mouth, didn't you? Is Mummy going? No, she's not going.
She's gonna watch me.
You're going to watch her, eh? Make sure she's coming back. You need your mummy, don't you? You need mummy.
We have located a goanna in the tree. I don't think you can see it, it's very camouflaged.
The camouflage is so good. That's a better shot from here, thanks.
Ah!
Look at the tail.
It's a no from me. This is far too much nature. When there is one, there is more.
Probably the big daddy.
No, this one's probably the baby. No.
Oh. It's not good in low light, the GoPros.
That's all on camera.
I won't put that up. Couridjah Pump House. Still on the W.E. Middleton Memorial Drive. Seeing where it goes to. I think it's just a dead end. Okay, so we're on Fire Road W41, as you can see from that. And there's a right turn to private property, and then the Fire Road goes up a bit further, then there's a lock gate. So I'm just going to go back. I want to show you something interesting. Yeah, so if you have a look there, Werri Private Town is 32 k's. Werri Conservation Park is 29 kilometres, coal on stock route, New South Wales. But if you were to select, say, the Conservation Park, 29 kilometres, select as destination.
Route summary, M31, Woodlands North, Wombeyan Caves Road, 13.
It's 163 k's and I'd arrive there 5:41 p.m. So this is the top exit of the national park.